Hey everyone! Today, I'm bringing a taste of sunshine to your plate with a delicious twist on a classic salad. Join me as we whip up a tropical salad with a mango salad dressing that's bursting with juicy flavors and a hint of a tropical bliss. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. First, let's whip up our salad dressing together. Our ingredients are mangoes, vinegar, olive oil, salt, garlic, and honey. Next is to combine all our ingredients in a food processor. Blend all the ingredients together until it becomes thick, smooth, and creamy. It's so quick and easy. Now, here's our mango salad dressing, perfect for all our salads. Transfer it in a jar, let it chill while we prepare our salad. Let's work on the ingredients of our delightful salad. Gently chop the walnuts. This will add a delightful crunch to every bite. Next, peel and julienne the carrots, turning them into delicate ribbons, adding both color and texture to our masterpiece. Slice the cucumber, creating refreshing, crisp rounds that will bring a coolness to every forkful. Now thinly slice the bell pepper, infusing the salad with a burst of vibrant color and a hint of sweetness. Cut the cherry tomatoes, releasing their juicy goodness, adding bursts of freshness to our ensemble. Next is to peel and slice the avocados, revealing their creamy texture, adding richness and nourishment to our creation. And lastly, slice the mango into succulent chunks, adding a tropical sweetness that will dance on your taste buds. What we eat is through our eyes. Let's do the plating. The vibrant, fresh green lettuce forms the base of our salad. Gently place thin slices of carrot and slices of cucumber, adding a burst of color to our salad. Arrange crisp bell pepper strips in a sunburst pattern and complemented by the juicy, vibrant cherry tomatoes. This time, let's introduce creamy slices of avocado, followed by sweet mango chunks, creating a harmonious balance. Finally, sprinkle toasted walnuts for a delightful crunch. Each ingredient carefully placed, creating a masterpiece of flavor and texture. With the mango dressing prepared to perfection and the salad bowl in place, drizzle the mango dressing like a liquid sunshine, transforming a simple salad into a symphony of flavors. Mix all together, merging flavors in a tantalizing dance. Ready to enjoy a refreshing, delicious, and healthy salad. Let's enjoy the freshness and flavor with every bite. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless everyone.